'cause baby, you've got it all wrong. Just how long did you think that you could fake it? Can't hold on, we already started breaking. I'm not yours, so stop acting like you own me and know me. No, you're never gonna show me. I'm so beyond being hurt and heartbroken. I'm too far gone, I just can't even hold on. No, I know I should have stopped it when I noticed you.
So today I got third place at the first indoor Dutch drone race, I guess, of 2019. More to come, but very fun. So thanks to the organization of the Dutch drone spot. They made an awesome track at this awesome location. Really enjoyed it. The race was really good run, a lot of fun. Thanks to everyone for being here and having this great time. Now I'm gonna slide down. Oh god, I'm going backwards. No. I made it. We're still alive, we're doing great. Now we're gonna go pack up our stuff to go back home and have more fun in the car, because it's gonna be a long ride, long train ride and a short night.